Hello everyone, this is Marshall the Great. As you can see on the screen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Flutter on your machine to be able to develop some mobile application to help the society. So kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more tutorials. Okay, let's start. So in this session we are going to deal with three great development platforms, which are Flutter, Android Studio and VS Code. So let's start with the first step. Alright, so for the next step, what we're gonna do is that we are going to download and install Flutter SDK. So for that you have to open your favorite browser. As for me, I've decided to use Chrome. So open your browser and open a new tab and type download Flutter SDK. As you can see, you have to follow the first link. That's the official link for Flutter. Follow the first link, and right at the right corner you can see get started. So click on get started, and here you can select your operating system under which you want to download the Flutter SDK. As for me, I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to select Windows. And these are the requirements for Flutter SDK installation. And right here under download the follow installation bundle to get the latest stable release of the Flutter SDK. I'm going to select this. It's the zip file that we are going to download. As you can see, Flutter has started downloading. So I'm going to pause it since I've already downloaded Flutter on my computer. I'm going to pause it just to show you the prompt and go inside my folder. As you can see here, we have Flutter Windows 2.8.0 stable. So what I'm going to do is that for the next, I'm going to open local drive and create a new folder. I'm going to name my folder SRC. You have to do the same thing. You have to name the new folder that you're creating in the local C rather. You have to name it SRC. So create the folder and go back to download. Now you have to copy the Flutter file, zip file. Copy and come into the SRC file, that SRC folder that you created, and paste the Flutter file inside the SRC folder. So once this is done, what we're going to do now is we are going to extract all the files of Flutter zip file inside the SRC folder. To extract file. Okay. Alright, so after we have extracted all the Flutter file inside the SRC folder, now let's check whether if all the files have been extracted. Alright, as we can see here, all the Flutter files have been extracted inside our SRC folder. So what we're going to do now, we are going to check if Flutter is now installed on our computer. So for that, you have to open the command prompt, open the research bar and type cmd, and we are going to run Flutter Doctor. As we can see, Flutter is not recognized as an internal or external command, which means that our machine have not detected Flutter on our computer yet. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to set up the environment, like give the path of Flutter to the computer to detect our Flutter. So for that, open once more the research bar and type environment. Hit enter. Here we see environment variables, so we are going to enter environment variables, and let's look for path. Down here we can see path, so we are going to enter there, and we are going to click on new, and right after that we are going back to our src folder. We are going to enter our Flutter file and go inside bin and copy the path right here. Copy the path and go back to the environment variables and click on new and paste the file here. After that you just have to click OK, OK, OK. And now let's go back to our command prompt to see whether the Flutter has been installed now. So type cmd and run the same command, Flutter Doctor. This will take a while. Alright, as we can see, Flutter has been installed on our computer but not fully, which means that actually we can't start developing application. We can't create our application because of some errors. As we can see down here, it's written .or found issues in 2 categories, and these are the 2 categories: Android toolchain developed for Android device, unable to locate Android SDK. So what next we are going to do is that, and here they said Android Studio is not installed. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to install Android Studio. So for that you have to go back to your favorite browser. As for me, you know I'm using Chrome, so I'm going back to my browser. I'm opening a new tab and I'm going to type download Android Studio. I have to follow the first link. And right here, download Android Studio, accept the license agreement, and download Android Studio. Alright, Android Studio has started downloading. Alright, so the Android Studio have downloaded successfully. So what we're gonna do now, we are going to install our Android Studio. We're going to click on that. Click on next, and install. Click on this, finish. So Android Studio is gonna open in few minutes. Let me pause setting. Okay. This is a new version of Android Studio. Your might look different, but this is Android Studio. Don't say. Next. Standard. Next. 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 Accept. We are going to download all this. Click on finish. Alright, Android Studio is installing, so we're going to wait for that. Alright, now so our Android Studio component have downloaded successfully, so we're gonna click on finish, and we're gonna go back to our command prompt, type cmd, and we're gonna run again a Flutter Doctor to see the remaining tasks. Right, so we have two issues now. We have cmd line tools component is missing, and we have Android license status unknown. So to solve that issue, we're gonna go back to our Android Studio to solve this first issue. We're gonna go back to our Android Studio. Alright, so to solve the first issue, to solve the command line tools component is missing, we have to go on our Android Studio, click on more action, click on SDK manager, click on SDK tools, and here we can see Android SDK command line tools latest is not installed. So what we're gonna do, we are going to install that. Let's click on OK, and it's going to install. Okay, now we have downloaded our Android SDK command line tool successfully, so click on finish, and we are going back to our command line and run Flutter Doctor once more. Okay, we have one more issue left. Doctor found issues in one category, and this is some license are not accepted. So to accept the Android license, what we're gonna do is that we are going to run Android license this command. We are going to run this command. Sorry. Okay, to solve that, what we're going to do is that we are going to run Flutter Doctor Android Android licenses. Let's wait for it to load. We are going to press Y. Press Y again. Y. Keep pressing Y. 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 And all SDK package licenses accepted. As we can see here, all SDK packages licenses accepted. So which means that our Flutter is fully installed on our machine now. So let's check that. So once more, we are going to open command prompt and type Flutter Doctor again. And yes, as we can see, our Flutter has been fully installed on our computer. As we can see here, no issues found. So that was the tutorial to install Flutter fully